Hi everybody, всем привет. So it's raining a little bit. I'm after my lunch and can have a bit of a walk still without stabilizer. It's a bit too rainy and windy for that. Прогуляемся просто без стабилизатора. Он есть даже, может позже. Я еще здесь какое-то время буду. So just a walk for you. Hi, this is Black Rock, Sea France, in Dublin, Ireland. I have the stabilizer. Unfortunately, it's a bit rainy. It will stop, so maybe I'll do another broadcast. Not a bad day, just slightly rainy. So, show you the map. Okay, so here we are. That's Irish Sea, and basically these two shopping centers here. France, and that's here of Dublin. So the railway line is along the coast, and over there you see the incinerator and two chimneys. That's House Peninsula, and that's Dublin Port over there. Lots of pretty nice, so lots of nice photographs was already taken. So just have a bit of a stroll after my lunch because I'm waiting for some other guy to meet. Thanks for joining us. It's a lovely, nice area. Well, привет, Алекс, здорово. Без стабилизатора, просто немного дождь и ветер. Сейчас просто ланч закончился, у меня еще тут одно дело образовалось. Oh, there is a sun, look, it was so rapidly changing. Только что был дождь, а сейчас красиво. Свет здесь хороший. Там строят a lot of construction. Дорогой райончик. Приличный. It's the southern part of Dublin, a suburb. Да, пасмурно как бы и солнце пробивается. So there is a sun and a bit of shower, a bit of rain, a bit of wind. So I wanted to take a drone today, but because of the weather I decided just to iPhone. Да, stabilizer I have. Oh, there is a yacht over there. It's not too bad, as we say. Typical Irish weather. Same as, it's warm enough, it's probably 20 or 19 degrees. Да, мне просто еще там это дело образовалось после ланча. Ланч мы мило пообщались. So I was meeting two professors. One was back from USA and then England, and then another one came back from Germany. So we had a good lunch together. Discussed pretty much everything. On Saturday, you know that the Pope Francis arrives to Ireland, so a huge thing. So we discussed all the subjects. Даже визит Папы Римского. В субботу на 2 дня почти будет. It's windy, yeah, so stabilizer with wind is not so good because it starts swinging. My hand is bad. And maybe I'll do another in an hour. Второй еще, может, сделаю подкаст. Третий. There is a ferry. A lot of that's about going, a lot of stuff. It's a very nice day actually. Приличная погода, но ветрено. Для дрона было бы сложно. Тем более занят сильно. So someday maybe I'll do a drone over there. We can see some amazing stuff in that area. Как-нибудь полетаем вот там в другой раз. Там такие отмели есть, опасно сданувшие корабли. So if I do a drone, maybe some next time I visit here, you can find the ships which were sunk and some low areas and so dangerous shipping in this area. It's okay for small boats. This looks nice. Good day, not too bad. Property here is really expensive as well. And over there you find some private villas and palaces almost, which cost like millions of euros. Да, там дальше совсем закрытые, такие уже частные, дорогущие, многомиллионные долларах стоят. Здесь спокойненько можно позавтракать, но я вот покушаю. I'm just after lunch, strumming. The main thing is the signal is good reception, because it's not the same. In some places blocked, and Periscope doesn't work well if you don't have 4G. Да, для перископа желательно. Вот кто-то кушает на скамеечке. Я иногда здесь тоже как бы, бывал. Место знакомое. It's a local place. You can just sit on a bench and have something to eat, or go to many restaurants, cafes, pubs, whatever you want. It's pretty popular. So I will try to go maybe to the village. I don't want to cross many busy roads. There is a nice church over there. We'll see it in a second. I think it's called St. Andrews. Yes, we're coming to it. So this is a quiet part, because there are two huge shopping malls, shopping centers, enormous lot of construction also. And it's windy. You probably don't hear me that well, because I have my earphones and microphone, but again, in the wind it's impractical. So just enjoy the view. A few of my comments you can hear. Private property, you see, so you can't go inside. You can just shoot it. This is really expensive. A lot of insects. It's nice. So there are security cameras, so we cannot go inside beyond this. And we can go a little bit another direction. Pretty cool. iPhone stabilization is good enough without even holder stabilizing stick. It's reasonable. It's a Catholic church, I think. Yes. I've been inside, it's pretty nice, but I'm not sure. There is some service, so we don't want to disturb it with the phone. But the tourists can go in principle. Alright. So it looks like so. And you can cycle everywhere. Use any means of transport, or do the running like this man. Pretty quiet street, this one. And you could see a replay. In the morning I've done something from the train, and maybe in 1 hour I'll do slightly better. If you're interested, you can watch replay later. So architecture is probably 1950s. Привет, Эрик. Я сейчас после ланча небольшая прогулка, только стабилизатор из-за ветра сейчас не могу тоже особо. Смотришь повтор, и где-то может через час еще одна. Я еще здесь задержусь, еще одно дело образовалось. Got one more business to do, so I'll be here another hour. And now you find all kind of trees. So a lot of palm trees. And okay, very typical. Almost looks like where I live. Да, дома такие характерные. Немножко район подороже, чем вот в моем районе на север. Marketing Gardens. Dental surgery. Okay. For sale, you can buy if you want. такой домик. Я думал, на миллиончик тоже потянет. Maybe. Со всеми налогами. Да, достаточно зажиточный. Ну или кто давно здесь живет, досталось. Там есть такие, я показывал, закрытые районы, виллы такие, частные дворцы. Но туда нельзя ходить, только издалека. Там охрана, высокие заборы, камеры стоят. So you cannot go inside very expensive places, very private and well protected. Oh, I spoke also in Russian because I was born in, I'm not Russian, but I can speak it. I can speak some French. Bonjour à tous, mes amis. A lot of places for sale. Irish I can speak few words. Don't know it so well. English is the main language. There is some car coming to clear the road. No, I'm not Russian, I'm Irish. I was born in former Soviet Union, but not in Russia. Nice. I want to wait. It's too noisy. It's too noisy. Just wait. Why not go on this side? A lot of young people. Because my colleagues, professors, they're starting a new semester from September. Oh, the sun is back. Look, just had rain, wind, and now it's beautiful sunshine again. Teenagers, да, может кто-то языки изучать. Beware of the dog. Look, they're nice houses actually. Maybe. Yes, the language Russian I can speak because I was born in the former Soviet Union, but not in Russia. No, never been Russian. A lot of these palm trees. So you can watch my replays. I usually do drone flights and some sightseeing of Dublin. And sometimes, oh, this is a nice one. Look at this beauty. So all the replays available. I have a YouTube channel as well. It's all in the profile. Just press 3 dots and enjoy. Thanks for being with me. Probably I'll go back and need something to be finished in the shopping center, in the mall. So I'll leave you this nice picture of simple street. Thanks for being with me. Bye bye. See you later.